The old gods are silent. I am not.
Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Vantage Point. I'm Bradley. Today we're going to talk about this ltx2, the newly released ltx2 2.3 model. In my previous video, in my video series, I talk about the ltx2 model. It is actually a very powerful model which can generate audio attached to this video. And ltx2 2.3 is actually an upgraded version of ltx2, and it has a lot of enhancement. So let's check out the official page for the new features. And the first one is the sharper fine details. Look at the cat, it's very detailed. And another feature is tighter prompt adherence, meaning you can, generate videos efficiently with the prompt. And another is strong image to video. Remember, in my ltx2 video, the video generated is very blurry. As for the ltx 2.3, it is much better now. And another feature is cleaner audio. And the last feature is portrait mode. Actually, it's very convenient. You can use this ltx 2.3 model to generate short video. And the first node pad you're going to need is GGUF node, and another is KJ node, and this MTB node. And if you want to use my Llama CPP instruct, you need to get this node installed. And as for the models, you need this 2.3 22B distilled model. I use the Q4 version because I have a very limited RAM, and I download the distilled model from this Unslows page. And I also download the text encoders in this page too. If you want to use the distilled version, you should use these connectors, because this distilled version can use 8 steps instead of 30 steps to generate the video. So as for my limited hardware, I choose the distilled version and I download this connector. And the other two VAE models I download from this KJ nodes. I download from this page, and you need the audio VAE and video VAE. After you download this model, you put the model in the model folders and the relative passes. It is actually the same as the ltx2 model. Okay, these are the prerequisites of this model. Let's quickly go over the workflow. Actually, the workflow has two sampling phases, and the first is basic sampler, and the second is upscale sampler. As for the prompt, we use this prompt enhancer, which is Llama CPP node, to enhance the positive prompt. And after enhancement, the prompt is feed into this text encode node. And then when you add this negative prompt, it is pretty much the same as the ltx2 model. And then we load the model here, and then we load the image here and resize it to 720p, and we prepare an empty latent and empty video latent and empty audio latent, and the empty video latent is fed into an image as the first frame, and then the two latent is fed into this sampler. And after the prompt is encoded, it is also fed into the sampler. After the sampling, the latent is fed into this upscale model. We use this model to upscale the latent space into the much larger one, and after the upscale, the latency is fed into this sampler advance again and do the final refinement. After the refinement, the second phase, the latency is fed into this video decode and audio decode, and after the decode, the video is saved here using this video combine node. And there's another node prerequisite, which is video hypersuite. If you've been following my video series, you probably have this node already installed. Okay, that's the whole workflow. And you see I have a video generation in progress. So I'll pause the video here and I will come back later. Okay, the workflow has run through. Let's see for the result.
Come on, Ken. Show me what you've got.
I think it's pretty good. And let's see for another example. It is the example that I put in the first part of the video.
The old gods are silent. I am not.
It is actually in portrait mode, and I think the detail is very good. And another thing you may pay attention to is this node. In the ltx2 workflow, I used the tiled VAE, and now we use the VAE decode. Actually, I changed this node to tiled VAE, and it will cost more time than this node, so I just changed it back. And the visual says they have changed the latent space, so maybe you use this VAE decode instead of the tiled VAE. It's more efficient. It is more efficient to use this node because it changed the latent space. Okay, that wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.